Hi guys, it's Carmen and Juan. Today we are going to ride on Boulder Creek on Boulder, Colorado, which is very close to Denver. We should have started this ride earlier in the day because it's almost 100 degrees and it is already 11:30 in the morning. We brought our lunch and our bathing suits so we can go swimming in the creek afterwards. So stay with us. We ride our bikes only to enjoy the day, the fresh air, and get some exercise. So nothing serious. So this is a very easy path, not many hills, and we love to stop and enjoy the sights and scenes. 12:30 p.m. and it's 100 degrees. These bike rides are much better earlier in the morning because in the areas where there are no trees, it feels like an oven. So I stopped at the side of the creek here. Let me show you. Look, it looks so appetizing. I just want to go in and jump in because it is so hot. We did bring our bathing suits, so we will change after we finish our bike ride. After we rest a minute and when we want to go in, we grab some lunch so we can go in the park and eat. I am a wimp for stopping, but remember, in my defense, it is over 6,000 feet above sea level, so you lose your breath much quicker. But with the breeze of the water and the trees and the wind, I'm finally getting my bearings again, and I will continue our journey. I hope you enjoyed our ride today. See you soon.